What up, YouTube? Today is the day that we install these rear king shocks. So let me show you how they look and what they are. So it has these are for 1500 pickups, 07 and newer, and it's a 2.5. What we've done so far is remove these aftermarket hangers, which were installed when we did the drop kit. This truck was on a 4.7 drop from Kagi. When we installed the drop kit, originally these come with the factory hangers and they're positioned like this. So for the drop kit, we had to flip it upside down and install these aftermarket hangers. So now what we have to do once again is take it off and flip it. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna put some anti-seize on these bolts and put them back on. So this is what we have so far. And we had the same problem when we installed the drop kit. We couldn't get this leaf spring around the muffler. So we're gonna figure this out in a bit. And so far we got all the U-bolts and everything unbolted. All we have to do is put the leaf springs over the axle and bolt it back up pretty much. And put the stock bump stops on, and yeah, hopefully. Alright guys, there you have it. We installed both of the king shocks for the rear. And we're having a little issue with these hangers because these are the lowering hangers. So we just flipped them. But as you can see, we're having this little issue right here where it hits. So we're gonna look for some aftermarket hangers, or at least some OEM hangers, because when we installed the lowering kit, we had to cut the rivets from the chassis, and these are damaged, so I guess we're not even going to use these anymore. We just got back from the dealer. We picked up these hangers, the OEM hangers. So we replaced the ones that came with the drop kit. Alright, well, I'm done installing the stock hangers. As you can see, the shackle is back to its original position. And now it's time to clean up the shop. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.